Welcome to Levi's Adventure. Today we'll open these Series 1 Paw Patrol Mashems, but Series 2, which Mommy didn't see in the store. So you're going to look on eBay. It's Mighty Pup, but she got Series 1, and it's regular pups. Oh, and look at, whoa! My pup. Whatever pup I got, if I get Sky, I'll give it to my sister, and if she gets Ace, she'll give it to me. These are cute that you can collect. Let's open it. It says Mega Mashems, but look, it's more kind of weird. Now let's open it. What? I got Chase. This means you don't get to give me yours. I will see feel the squish of Chase. It's Chase Mashem. Look at him. It's Chase. I got Chase. The dream doesn't get to give me. Look, it's a lot to what did they say, Mommy? Okay, let's go some. Whoa! Look at Chase! Wait, you have some beads in them. Chase has some kind of beads in them. Oh, look at Chase squish. What? He pulled the slats too. Yeah. But you can switch that for it. Look at him. I got Chase. Well, maybe Jenny will get Chase too. So you like, subscribe to my channel. Bye. Chase is hiding. He's coming back in his bed.